Hello everyone, myself Meghna studying Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Green IT and sustainability. Green IT starts at the switch. Why turning things off is the simplest climate action you'll take today. Why conserving energy matters. Lower emissions. About 60% of global electricity still comes from fossil fuels. Saving power directly cuts CO2. Cheaper bills. Households waste 10 to 20% of their electricity on idle and standby devices each year. Long lasting devices. Less heat and fewer charge cycles mean laptops, batteries, and appliances live longer. Less strain on the grid. Peak demand drives blackouts and forces utilities to fire up the dirtiest backup plans. So, what is Green IT? Green IT is the practice of designing, using, and disposing of computers, servers, and electronics in ways that minimize environmental impact, from the chip in your laptop to the power strip beyond your TV. 4% of global emissions come from IT and digital devices, more than the entire airline industry. 3x faster growth. Data and device energy use is rising 3x faster than overall electricity demand. 1B plus idle devices. PCs, TVs, and chargers worldwide draining power while doing nothing. The cost of leaving it on. 23% of home electricity is wasted on idle devices, equals rupees 6,000 plus per household per year. Idle desktop PC drawing power overnight every night. Sleeping tab laptop adds up to 130 kilowatt per year. Charger only, no phone attached, still pulling current. TV on standby. That tiny red light isn't free. Switch off your devices, PCs and laptop. Shutdown. Don't just close the lid. A full shutdown saves up to 80% more energy than sleep over a workday. Tablets and phones. Unplug chargers once full. Chargers keep drawing 2 to 5 volt from the wall even with nothing connected. Monitors and peripherals. Turn off screens, printers, speakers and routers at night via a single switchable power strip. Key insight. Sleep mode is not off. Shut down and unplug to actually stop the draw. Lights, fans, geysers off. Geysers, the single largest energy drain. Switch on 15 minutes before use, off immediately after. Air conditioners, each degree warmer on the thermostat saves about 6% on cooling energy. Lights, switching off when leaving a room even for a minute always saves more than it costs. Fans, empty rooms off. Fans cool people where home energy actually goes. Water heating, geysers, cooling and fans, lighting, refrigerator, electronics and IT. Other average breakdown of electricity used in a typical urban household. The targets are obvious. Build a switch off habit. Audit your home. Walk through each room and list what's plugged in but rarely used. Group onto power strips. One switch can kill standby on the entire entertainment or work setup. Set a nightly ritual. Last person up flips the strips, geyser, and AC before bed. Use timers and smart plugs. Automate geysers and routers so willpower isn't required. Track and review. Check the meter monthly. Visible savings keep the habit alive. Takeaway: habit speed gadgets. The cheapest wall is the one you never turn on. One home, 1 year, real numbers. Wasted today. Rupees 6,000 plus lost to standby electronics. 500 plus kilowatt hour burned by an idle geyser. Minus 350 kilogram CO2 from unused lights and fans. Save tomorrow. Cut bills by up to 25% with switched off habits. Save 700 plus kilowatt hour per home per year. Avoid 500 kg CO2 like planting 8 trees. Multiple by a billion ohms. If every household saved just 700 kilowatt hour, the world would cut more CO2 than the entire global aviation industry emits in a year. Be the switch. Green IT isn't a future technology, it's a habit you start tonight with one finger and one switch. Now, with an example, I'll explain Green IT. Example 1. Switch. While you are in the room, you can use the lights on and fans on. While stepping out of the room, you should not forget to switch off the lights and fans. Example 2. Mobile charging. Charging is not a problem, but when you unplug your wire, you should not forget to off the switch, and you should not use your mobile while charging. Thank you for watching my video.